If you ask any digital marketer or SEO professional about building organic traffic, they will say produce great quality content and people will give you backlinks. And when your site authority improves, you will start getting more and more traffic. But that is not as easy. Creating great content is a must, but that does not ensure that people will give you backlinks. People will automatically link to your site. So, in today's video, we are going to talk about how you can use skyscraper technique to create great quality content and to get backlinks as well. Hello everyone, I am Nidhi Singh and you're watching This is Digital Marketing. Brian Dean, founder of Backlinko, has come up with this technique called a skyscraper technique, and in his own words, he says that it almost guarantees performance, which means in fact, he gives this example in his blog and video that he used this exact technique and he has received 110% growth in his website's organic traffic. There are several case studies. In fact, I have also been using skyscraper technique to build traffic for the websites that I manage, and I have seen great results. So let's just take a deep dive into the technique. Find linkable content. First of all, go to Google search, make keyword searches based on the keywords that you want to rank for, find linkable content, maybe top 1, 2, 3 links on Google. Then step 2, make even better content. What you need to do is you need to study these 2-3 content pieces that are ranking at the top on Google search result and then make even better content. And then third, reach out to good people in your industry and ask them, request them to backlink. You need to go to a tool like SEMrush and find content that is getting already a lot of backlinks. Once you figure that out, you go and then produce content. That's step 2. Produce content that is even better than the content that you have found. Often these are also the content pieces that are already ranking in the top position of Google. So if you don't have access to tool, what you can do is you can pick a keyword and make Google search and figure out what pages are ranking at the top. More often than not, they are ranking because their quality is superior and they have a lot of quality backlinks. Now coming to how to produce even better content. Thoroughly read the content, study those top 2-3 articles that are getting high backlinks, that are ranking in top position. Try to create even more in-depth content than there already is. If they are ranking for some schema markups, make sure that you also use schema markup. Try to understand the context. Is it for local search? Then see how you can add more and more local searchable content. If it is about a destination, see how you can add more nuances to talking about that destination. So that's how you figure out, is there multimedia in that content? Is there a video or maybe a audio podcast link? Can you also do something better than what they are doing? Do that. See if the content that is already there is dated. Your content will obviously get advantage because you have more up-to-date content. Also take a note how well the content is designed. If the content that you are competing with is not well designed, then it gives you an advantage and opportunity to create well-designed content. People love well-designed content. Who doesn't like something which is more palatable? And when people like it, even Google likes it. Google also considers user experience as a key thing to note with their core web vital update. So again, if you are creating great user experience, great really well designed content, then you are already winning. Now you have figured out high backlink worthy content. You have figured out great content to compete with it. The third part is that people will not actually automatically backlink you. How to get backlinks for your own content. In order to get backlinks, high quality backlinks, you can't really randomly trust that people will just pick your content because you have great content or well-designed content. You will have to reach out to right people in the industry who can backlink you. What you can do is you can create a list of folks who can backlink your content. Reach out to them via cold email, via their social handles. Tell that how great their content is, but still their content has something missing that your content covers. And maybe if they link back to you, their content will look more comprehensive and more worthy. And politely request, don't make it really hard pushing, don't look down upon their content, appreciate them and add a nudge that maybe adding this will even benefit both of us. And that way you will get backlinks. This is a tried and tested method. This is something that's very common in industry. But what's uncommon is the right kind of cold email. You need to know the art of persuasion, make it really polite, make it really helpful, do research on the content that you are reaching out to for backlink, so that you don't just sound like someone who is just trying to spam and juice out benefit out of them. Make it helpful and win-win for both the parties, and do it at scale so that your worthy content, wherein you have put in a lot of research, hours of effort in creating good quality content, gets the front seat on Google. And in order to do that, you will have to do backlink building at scale. So that's all about skyscraper technique. If you have any questions or queries, do comment and let me know. As always, the best way to learn is by asking questions. See you in the next video. And do not forget to check out playlist on this channel. I have a playlist and a mini course on SEO. There are other playlists like must know digital marketing career advice that you might like. Do check out the playlist section.